my kishi degree ratha yore. Ragre, my member che, ra yore. Begin on it your wire. Your wire. Or did it? Yore, said the mother. Ragre, Martha, like come home around Ragre. Rat dick up the rats higher cigar.
That's how you raise.
Oh, did it? Tini motu chemado, tini chico mare.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so we have a good example over here. The by this time, namnatire. So like the begin on top said by this time, Ray. Oh, yenda, they can you give me a sentence? By this time, and when?
I will have finished my college.
This class.
By this time next year.
By the 1 o'clock.
Next year, by this time next year. Jema tapses las, log Rayana, Chuma Dawaki tapses las. Time to save so you have to be clear about the time. So by this time next year,
We will have finished our English class.
we will have
Finished our English class.
English course, all right?
English
We
course.
will
You have
finish
finished English
our
course.
basic
Our basic English course.
Oh, by this time next year, we will have finished our
basic English course.
okay.
Yes.
By this time, so by this time next year, we will have finished our basic English course. Basic English course that turns out okay, in the same way, by 9, let's say by 9 p.m. By 9 p.m. today,
We will have finished our dinner.
yeah, we will have finished our dinner. Yes. Okay, by 9 p.m. today, we will have finished our dinner. Okay. In the same way, by Monday,
By Monday, I will have done my homework.
Yes, by Monday,
I will have done
my
Homework.
homework. Very good. By Monday, I will have done my homework. Okay. By next summer,
by next
By next summer, we will have.
By next summer,
We will have
We will
time
have
to
finished
visit
our
you.
holiday. We will have finished our holiday.
Yes.
we
by
will have
next summer,
by next summer, not this summer, next summer.
By next summer, we will have time to visit you.
finished our examination.
Which exams?
Not
the
Final exam.
next labdu kone
Memorizing exam.
2022 ki summer lagota. This summer slam that 2021 summer lagota. So by next summer,
By next summer, we will have finished our grammar exam.
we will have finished our
Our grammar exam.
grammar. Which grammar?
English
English grammar exam.
Like the
Who's going to give you your English grammar exams?
no, the in Tibet.
Make a true sentence, something that will happen. Don't just make up. Something.
By next summer, we will have a time to visit you.
Oh, very good. By next summer, we will have time. No, here, the
by next
we will have time, Marda. The so much time is a noun, right?
by next summer, I will have arrived my homeland.
Oh yes. By next summer, I will
have arrived
My hometown.
my homeland.
Oh, arrived in my homeland. Yes, by next summer, I will have
arrived
in my
hometown.
Hometown, right? In my hometown. I will have arrived in my hometown. Okay, so this is, how to write the future perfect tense along with these common expressions. You have to use it with these expressions. Time expression doesn't have the budget. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now we have the positive, the negative, and the question. Okay, so I, you, we, they, he, she, it, they all have the same structure. I will have arrived, you will have arrived, we will have arrived, they will have arrived, he, she, it will have arrived. These are positive. Negative, I will not, you just have to put a not there. I will not have arrived, you will not have arrived, we will not have arrived, they will not have arrived, he, she, it will not have arrived. Okay, you can contract this, you can make it short. Can you, what is the short form of will not?
I won't.
wouldn't.
Yes, won't.
I won't.
I won't have
I
arrived.
won't have.
Okay, that's the short form. I won't have arrived. Will not condition won't re. Okay, now the question again.
Will I have arrived?
Will I have arrived?
Right.
Will I have?
Will you have arrived?
You have arrived.
Will you have arrived? This is with will we have arrived?
Have arrived?
Will they have arrived? Okay.
Will she have arrived?
Will he have arrived or will she have arrived?
He had arrived.
He have arrived.
Had arrived.
Will he have?
Okay, then you can always use a question word. When will I have arrived?
When will I have arrived?
When will I have arrived?
Yes.
Okay,
How
when
will I
will you
arrive?
have arrived? All right, next year. How will I have arrived?
No.
Where will I have arrived? All right. Why will I have arrived? Okay, you can put a question word here. This pattern remains the same. You just put a
Yes,
question
madam.
word there. The pattern di degi ranja. Tomshi di degor. Okay, you put a question word. When will I
When will
have
I have
arrived?
arrived?
All right.
Yeah.
How will I have arrived? Okay, where? Where will I have arrived? Okay.
arrived?
Okay, so why will I have arrived? Okay, so those
Madam,
the basic question ki tomshi tagarang kalia doing the question word tanda yobshikavere. Okay.
Yes.
All right, so that's how you write the positive, the negative, and the question for the future perfect. Okay, now here are some exercises. Let's see if you can do this. Complete the sentence with the correct form of the verb. Positive. You have to make a positive for this. Positive sentence, positive, positive, negative, negative, and a question for this.
By
By the time we got to the airport, the flight would have
He
arrived.
gets to
the
the
flight
airport. The flight arrived.
Will
have arrived.
I will
Yes.
have arrived.
I will have
Flight
arrived.
will have
Will
arrived.
have
Will
The
have
flight
I will have arrived.
will
Will have
have
arrived.
arrived. They arrived.
Uh,
Okay, the flight will have arrived.
The
Okay.
plane-
So that's the positive. Okay, what about this one?
Next August,
August,
we
I
will
have
we will have
married for
25 years.
No, here is the verb. Yeah, this is the verb. We
Okay.
will
Will
have
been
has
been
been
married. Yes,
has been married. Yeah.
yes, we
We
will
will
have
have
been.
been-
This is the
have
verb. Yeah, this is the
Yes.
verb.
Mhm.
So we
Yes.
will have been married.
been
been
married for
married for
Yeah.
20 years,
Yes,
Mhm.
for 25, for
5
20
years.
years. All right.
25
We
years.
will have
We will
been
have been
married.
married for 25
Mhm.
Okay.
Mm.
Married is already there. For 25 years. We will have been married for 25 years.
Mhm.
All right. Next August, your wa chuma chinte kebel ya ani nga zo changsi gemni lo ni shi zenga.
Korean.
Korea. Yes, yeah. Okay. What about number 3?
By
I don't
by
know.
3 a.m.
He
He
will
will have
will
given
have
his
given
presentation.
presentation.
his
He will have given his presentation.
Yes, yes. So
Given.
by 3 a.m. he
He
will
will
have
have
given
Given his presentation.
his presentation.
Yeah.
from presentation higher is what choose. Okay, choosing the Subas from presentations higher is okay. What about this one? By 9 p.m.
9
By
p.m.
9 p.m.
we
We will
have
had our
We
dinner.
will
We will
have
have
Very
had
good,
dinner.
very
We
good.
will had.
We will have had. We
We
Have
will
had dinner.
had.
Had dinner.
Had.
Had.
Okay. So we will have the future perfect samolol yorta. Now you have to put the third form here of the verb. This is the verb, have dinner.
Action verb.
So this
Past
becomes
participle.
past participle. So we will have had
dinner.
Yes, we will have had dinner. Okay. Okay. What about number 5? Make a negative sentence.
I won't have
I
finished
won't
work by 8
I won't have.
8 p.m. That's
I
right.
won't have finished
I
work
won't
by 8
I
have
won't
finished
have finished
my
work by
8 p.m.
8 o'clock
won't
p.m.
I won't
p.m.
have
Finished
finish
Finish it.
Finish
work
work by 8 p.m.
Work
I
by
won't have finished work by 8 p.m. Okay.
8
Right. Then next.
They will
They
They
won't
will
have done their
have
homework.
done
won't
They won't
their
have done
homework
their
by
homework.
8
did their
p.m.
homework by
They won't have
8 p.m.
They
Done
would
their
have
They
homework.
won't
done.
have
done.
done.
Did their homework.
They won't
Work
have done.
Done or past participle. Sorry, done.
have done their
Done
homework
their homework
by 8 p.m.
by 8 p.m.
They won't have done their homework by 8 p.m. Okay, now here it's a question.
By then,
Hmm.
Well,
will
Will
When
he,
will
well,
he?
Will
he
have
have it.
When
will
he have
when he
eaten by
will
them?
have
by
Well,
Will he have
them.
eaten by them?
Yes.
Will he have
Will
eaten by
have
them?
he eaten by
Will
then?
he
Will
eaten by then?
Will
he
will
Have
he have
well,
have
eaten by them?
he
Eaten.
he
will
have
he
He have
eaten
eaten by them.
will he have
He have
eaten?
eaten.
eaten
Eaten by them.
They
by
by
Will
then?
he have eaten by then?
Eaten.
he has
Yes.
Will he have eaten
Will
by
he
then?
have eaten by
Oh,
then?
so then they
well,
actually
she have
the then la the tuzi keshiwa. Will he have eaten by
has
then? Will he have eaten by then? Kachusa. Anybody
No.
have confusion over here?
No.
out
They will have
Had-
they will they have the present future perfect samlol yorta. Now
Mhm.
this is the third verb form of the verb here. The
Mhm.
verb the participle today. So will Shiva Yinzan will deliver. All right. Will
Yeah.
he
He
have
have
eaten
he
by then?
had
eaten by
by
then.
then.
jibare hasle gumaretla.
Chibare.
He had ale.
Chibalia di chago mare has chago mare. Chibalia di Chibalia katune de there is a question word making a question over here. Here it is the will.
Mhm.
All right. Di Maumba dig shego mare.
Mhm.
As can present lugar. The present ke shego mare. This is the future. All right. Will have to wear. Future will have. Well, he in it, she in it, we in it, I in it. Future samlo will have. Has kya in a present tense kya war. All right. Hadaware. Hadawa mare. Future re. Future ya future perfect so the will have the kya what you want. All right. Will have chair and then the third form. So this is not talking about the present simple tense. Okay. He has, she has, the present simple tense re. Don't confuse. Don't get confused. This is future. Will give to Atagana future corporate, so you cannot have an has over here. All right.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, today. All right. So this now we have some common mistakes over here that people often make. Some non-do today. Just tell me where the mistake is. For example, the first one, by Monday, he
By
will
Monday,
have start
he
his
will
new
have
job.
started
This is
his
not
new
a correct sentence.
He will have started his new job.
Yes. Oh,
Started his new job.
That it is need to.
This is started, all right, not start.
Yeah.
This is wrong. Okay, because will have, and you have to write the participle of this. So he will have started his new job, not he will have start. He will have started. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Will have third form. Perfect tenses in the third form of the verb here. All right. Will have started. Okay. Now, what about this one? There's a problem with this. In the next few years, they will have teach thousands of children.
They will have taught.
Taught, yes. This is also third form. You have to write the third form. Will have
They will
teach
have taught.
participle the taught. They will have taught thousands of children. Right? In the next few years, they will have taught thousands of children. And that lokashech lokha시다 디젤레 lokha시 직면에 안 콘즈 가르칠 수 있는 부동다 망불이야. 랍차요레스가. Okay. Then what about this one?
By
But
next
by
month,
next month, we will have
we will have
We will
planned
have
we will
conference.
have
planned
planned
conference.
Where is the mistake?
a conference.
By next month,
We
we
will
will
have
We will
We will have planned.
Yes.
we will plan. We will have.
Where's
we
the
will-
mistake? There is one mistake.
By next month, we will have planned the conference.
Yes.
by
Where
next
is
month, we will
Plan the conference.
conference? That's
Sorry,
conference.
missed job.
by
for
next
2022.
month.
Don't see any mistakes.
spelling mistake.
Spelling mistake.
Yeah. A mistake can be anything.
So,
Then next month we will have planned.
planned
Planned.
Planned. Yeah.
in Dublin.
Double N.
Planned.
Double N.
Yeah.
All right. The past tense of plan. Plan your wa. Kisi
No.
plan tigi imbrechiner wa. Okay.
No.
Plan. This is present.
Uh,
Right. This is
Hmm.
present.
Mhm.
Okay.
Present.
Past is double N.
ELA and then ED. Okay.
The N yögeç wa. N yöge
No.
dikkat the past so the N yengeç tabaş gögre.
Okay.
Plan. Planned.
And
Fan. Fanned. Any?
okay.
Man. Manned.
And
Shemba dwe N yögödünde çözüdünde yor wa. The past tense N çık yengeç yapacak.
gunned.
Yes. Gun. All right.
Gunned.
Gunned. The çözüre. Gun lan mende şu sigar wa.
No.
Gun mende lele var ya. İncil mende şu le gun.
No.
Right. Gun. Gunned. Any? See the past. Sunned. Dwe.
Run.
Run.
Run.
Any?
So they don't really.
Shin. Sin. Oh, very good. Sin.
Sinned.
De. Lig do de.
No.
En yilleçe ni idiçlik. Sinned. Okay. So here is there was a spelling mistake over here. It's a very common mistake. All right. Okay. Now let's look at the last one.
So
We will have finished
Will
shopping.
you will have finished shopping
Finished.
by that time?
Will have
stop.
Will you have
Will you have finished
Will you have
shopping
finished
by
shopping?
will you?
Chiva.
Oh, that's
Chiva,
one.
Chiva. It's a
Will
question.
you
Have finished shopping by.
Will you
Will
have
you
finished?
have finished
Will
your
has to
shopping
come.
by
This
that
has-
time?
Will you have
on
finished
the-
your
yeah,
shopping
time.
by that
That
time?
time. De. Chiva yakatu ine de will the
Yeah, will first come.
There you go. De.
Order
Will.
mistake.
Right? Yes, it is here. It's always- the helping verb is always in front of the question. So, will you have finished
Have
shopping
finished
by that
shopping by
time?
that time.
Tulsu actually can the rest the shopping was. All right. Will you have finished shopping by that time? Okay, so it's a question. Be careful. Okay, you don't say you will have finished and then question. You say, will you have finished shopping by that time? That's how you ask questions in English. Okay. Common mistakes. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. That thing you got the sentence time. That did you think sentence time.
Yeah, one sentence.
All right. Okay, now let's look at this. Now, this was all about the future perfect tense.
Okay.
All right. Is it clear now? Future perfect.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Quite
it has
clear.
to be clear. I hope you can make
Yeah.
sentences. Let's see if you can give me some more sentences. Sentence kashishtada. Okay, you can give me questions or negative or positive sentences. Give me a positive sentence first. In the future perfect.
Will I have-
Make sure you're using those common expressions before, by the time.
By this time next year, he will have arrived his homeland.
Yes. By this time
Next year.
year, he will have
arrived
in his
Yes.
home.
homeland.
Okay, by this time next year, he will have. By this time, this is a clause, all right? By this time next year, he will have arrived in his homeland, all right? This is the phrase, yes. Okay, so this is positive. How will you write the negative of this?
By this time
By
next
this
year,
time,
By next
he
month.
won't be. He
by
won't
this
arrive.
next
next month,
he won't
we-
have arrived in this
Yes, he
his
won't
homeland.
Won't have
Have
arrived
arrived
He won't
in
have
his
in his
arrived
homeland.
in his
homeland,
homeland.
all right? In his homeland.
Homeland.
In his homeland. Okay, how will you ask a question? How will you ask a question?
Will he be? Will
Will
he
he
have
have
arrived
arrived in
his
his
homeland
his
By
by
homeland
this
this time next year?
year,
by
yes.
this
Will he
He
have
have
He
arrived
have
in
arrived
his
his
in
homeland
his
his
homeland
by
by this time
next
next
time
year.
next year.
question?
Mhm.
Okay, give me another sentence now. Sentence
Mm,
Give me another sentence.
Will we have got
What? Good. Will we have
will
got?
we have got COVID-19 vaccine next month?
Will we have got by next month? Yes, very good. Will
we
we
have
have
got
COVID-19
in
vaccine
vaccination
by
by next month.
month? Very good. Will we have got COVID? I'm sorry, this is COVID. COVID-19 vaccine by next month?
next month.
Will we have got COVID-19 vaccine by next month?
Mm.
The positive condition. How will you make a
Oh.
positive question?
By next
By
we
next
will
month,
have
next month we will
we
have
will have
COVID-19
We
vaccine.
will
have
got
got COVID-19
COVID-19
COVID-19
vaccine.
vaccine.
vaccine.
Yes, by next month we will have got COVID-19 vaccine. By next month we will have got COVID-19 vaccine. Okay, what about negative?
By
By
next
this
month,
we
by
won't
next
have
month we
got
won't have got
Yes, by
COVID-19 vaccine.
next month we won't have
Got
got COVID-19
vaccine.
vaccine. Yes. By next month, we won't have got COVID-19 vaccine. This one?
No.
Do you have some more sentences, a different one?
What about some actions?
Give me some true sentences. So around the chunga dinde. Ang bal kar chunga. Tegas langa di tires. Dinde chilanga tires like chorwa. You can say by Monday, by next month, by 25th of January, by the 12th of February, or by just give a time, or you can also give an action. By the time you can say when I arrive, or when I finish my work, something like that also.
By this time next year,
Mhm.
my guidance teacher will finish his KC degree. Will have finished his KC degree.
By this time next year, my guardian
Guardian
teacher
teacher
will
will
have
have
finished
finished
his
his
PhD.
KC degree.
Oh, it's higher, is it? All right. By this time next year, my guardian teacher will finish his PhD degree. Okay, in the sentence, somebody give me another sentence. Something that is true for you, So I'm sure you all have a lot of plans, and you all, have something that you will finish next year.
By this time next year, my English level will have up advanced.
Okay, by this time
next year,
my English
this level
my English level will
have
advanced. Right, very good. Will have advanced. By this time next year, my English level will have advanced. Very good. Oh, ane. 다시 한번 인다. 다시 가르치면 이거든. Yes.
When His Holiness the Dalai Lama teach, I will have arrived in Dharamsala.
When His Holiness the Dalai Lama
Teach.
starts teaching,
Start teach, yes.
yes. So when His Holiness the Dalai Lama, when is that? Well, give me the time. Starts teaching. When?
Oh.
In
Dharamsala, yes.
This summer.
time.
Okay.
And this
In
summer.
next time.
In
Next
January.
time.
The Dalai
And
Lama
next time.
starts teaching in
Next time.
next year. You mean next year?
Next time.
No, time. Give me an exact time.
Okay.
When is
Yeah.
Holiness the
And
Dalai
this
Lama
summer.
starts teaching? Oh, this summer. Very good.
This summer.
Any?
This
I
summer, I will have
arrived in Dharamsala.
Yeah, Dharamsala.
Yeah,
Good sentence. Yes, I will have arrived in Dharamsala. Right. Any?
by the next Wednesday,
By next Wednesday, yes,
I will have finished my holiday.
I will have finished my holidays. All right, not this. I will have finished my holiday. Any?
By next time, by next month,
Okay.
my brother arrived.
Will have.
I will have finished my course.
Okay. By
next month, my brother.
Oh, my brother.
My brother arrived.
Oh, by next month, my brother will have arrived. Not arrived.
No. It's I try action.
Okay, so why are you putting a next month there?
Okay.
All right. When my brother arrives.
Okay. When my brother
arrives.
Arrives
next month. When my brother arrives next month, I will have done
my course.
Yes. I will have done my course. When my brother arrives next month, I will have done my course. Okay. That's you know how to make this. All right. So this is all about the future perfect tense. That's it. It's a future perfect simple tense. All right. It's called the future perfect simple tense. It's like the present perfect simple tense, but here you're talking about the future. All right. Now, do we have time?
Yes, we have time. 12 minutes.
It's now because now the future perfect simple tense and the future perfect continuous tense, like the future present perfect simple and the present perfect continuous, they actually mean the same thing. All right, but then the structure is slightly different. Focused. All right, it's focused on the continuity of the action. That means an action is going